Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? Fish Taco here. Another beautiful day, another car video. So I'm doing a upgrade for my 23 RAV4 LE. So one of the things that I did not like about the LE that I mentioned in a previous video is the intermittent Viper switch only has 3 modes. It's either fast, very fast, and extremely fast. So in a not very rainy day, it's not ideal. So I'm gonna upgrade. I bought this. I've got a really good deal, $100 switch, brand new. I got a friend that work at dealership, gave me some discount. This one has 6 modes, so it'll give me a lot more different intermittent speeds. So let's check it out. This is the part number. It's made in Japan. I'll put the part number down in the description below. Now this unit is the same unit as my 25 Corolla hatchback SE. You see, same unit. So I'm pretty sure that for the manufacturer to make this one and the stock one that has 3 modes, the cost is probably very negligible, maybe $10 US. But in order for you to get this one, you either have to pay $2,000 to upgrade to XLE, or maybe $1,000 for some sort of technology pack. So, you know, for $10 different. So, hey, I spent $100 so I can get this upgraded without all the other things that I did not want. In order for this thing to pop off, to replace the switch, there is 1 screw. You do need to turn on an engine to run the power steering. 2 screws, and then there's 1 down here. All right, that's the last one. I already got the other 2 out. All right, so here is the gap. You do need to get something really sharp to get between it to get this open. Get in here. Oh God. Scratch a little bit, but it's all right. Nobody's gonna see it. Okay. So all you need is to get it open to this much, with the top and bottom covered sort of like opened up. You don't need to take them all the way out. So just gotta pry this opened outward, and then same time you pull the switch out. Oh. All right, so that came out. Cool. All right, so basically this thing sits in right here. So that comes out. The ports are exactly the same. So now is the easy part. It's gonna slide it back in. All right. Nice click, positive clicking sound. So I'm gonna turn the engine on and run some test. See, it's just perfectly little bit misty. I picked the perfect day for this. First speed. Good, 3 seconds. This is the fast one. And the super fast. Oh, I don't want that. Going back to the first mode. This should be the longer one. The second longer. Nice. That's a really long. Now, 1 more. Awesome. Woo. All right. So everything's all popped back in. Now this LE has been formally upgraded. All right, guys. This is it for today, but coming up I am getting a new set of alloy wheels for this vehicle pretty soon, so make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Now this is the type of rain that this Viper Speed is perfectly for. Slow and steady. Off to the sunset.